Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy Infana. Welcome to my new YouTube page. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. I want to hear your thoughts, guys. I'm actually working on a project by Lolo M. Anyways, don't get me arrested. I'm disclosing information now. You know what time it is? Boom!